Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. What if you could use Claude AI like a real app on your computer instead of opening a browser every single time? So in this video, I'll show you how to install the Claude desktop app and start using it for a faster, distraction-free AI access. First, go to official Claude website, look for the download desktop app option and choose your operating system, such as Windows, macOS. Click download and wait for the file to finish installing. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation steps. Once installed, launch the app from your desktop or start menu. Now open Claude desktop and sign in with your account. And after logging in, you'll see a clean chat interface just like the web version, but faster and more focused. Now you can start chatting with Claude directly from your desktop. Use it for writing, coding, research, productivity tasks, no browser distractions, just pure AI workflow. And that's how you install Claude desktop and turn your computer into a powerful AI workspace. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.